good to come another hit, and some of the batsmen that we missed out. The opportunity yesterday to get to go through the motion today and then get ready for tomorrow. And then it's good to have Andrew from PNG, coach who came and helped us. Because most of the batsmen in T20 they used to bat out crease, so Andrew really helped us by batting in the crease much easier. It's batting. Yesterday we broke too many balls. There's too many dot balls we give away. So today there's some of the areas that we work on by rotating strike.
I'm from Fiji. Came over to Australia in Sydney, Wollongong to play cricket. I came over to play 3 months in the club game out down there, and I went back. And depends on my performance, they want me to come back, so come back and keep going from there. For me, in the team, I try to work on my batting. Yeah, a lot of work on my footwork. It's really good. Yeah. Compared to where I'm training in Sydney, Wollongong, yeah, it's the best facility I ever been to. Yeah, it's an honor for me to come here and play, represent my country. Yeah, go out there in the field and betting for my country, you know. Yeah, and to play for this team as well.